Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Update stuck at random percentage. So what you want to do, just simply go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard and type in services. Go ahead and open that, and once you're at services, you want to click on any services and type W on your keyboard, and from here you want to scroll down and look for Windows Update. Now once you find Windows Update, double click on it, and the startup type, you want to switch this to automatic. Once you do that, click start and then click on OK. Now from here, for the startup type, you want to change this to automatic and click and start, and it's going to start the service. Now the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click start again and type in troubleshoot settings, click on it, and from here you want to select other troubleshooters. Now you want to find Windows Update in the list here and click on run and wait for it to complete, and then you want to go ahead and restart your PC. So once that's complete, guys, just simply right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar, go to shutdown or sign out and click on restart. And once you restart your computer, the problem should be fixed. Go ahead and try that out. Wish you the best of luck, and give this video a like if it solved your problem. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.